Hi guys, so today we are indulging in a truly delicious dish, Shahi Paneer. This rich and delicious curry is fit for royalty. Tender paneer cheese is simmered in a luxurious sauce made with cream, yogurt and all the other spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, peppercorns and many other spices, which gives a delicious flavor to this curry. So grab your ingredients, get ready to savor the aromas and let's cook up this dish together. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first in a hot pan, add oil, add 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 green chili, 1 onion roughly cut, and then fry the onion until nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for few seconds. Then add 4 tomatoes roughly cut. Then fry the tomatoes until it starts to leave the skin. So make sure it is something like this. As you can see, these tomatoes are starting to leave the skin. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and then fry the masalas for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups water and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes. As you can see that the tomatoes are nice and soft and water is nicely reduced. Then remove the spices out like star anise, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, or else the taste of the curry will be overpowering. Only keep the cloves and black peppercorns in there. Then leave it aside and allow it to cool down completely. Then take a mixer jar. Then simply blend the tomato mix which was previously made. Blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then take a bowl and simply strain the masala paste for a smooth consistency. Then add 1 cup water and give it a nice mix. As you can see that the masala paste is nice and smooth. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 2 tablespoon butter, 5 green cardamom, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and then fry it for few seconds. Then add the masala paste. And give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add half cup double cream and give it a nice mix. Then allow it to boil again. Then add 1 tablespoon yogurt, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi and give it a nice mix. Then add 600 grams paneer cut in cubes and give it a nice mix. Then cook it for about 5 minutes until paneer is nice and soft. Also boil it until the oil separates. And there you have it guys, a truly delicious Shahi Paneer that's sure to impress your guests. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.